Hi, I'm back to finish April Saturday Sampler. So now I want you to go to page 5. We're going to be doing our center chaining block. And this is pretty easy piecing and strip piecing. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to be grabbing your strip sets 1, 5, and 10, and you're going to be sewing them together, pressing away from fabric 5. So that's what this looks like. 1, 5, and 10, press away from the center, which is fabric 5. One long strip. Okay, and we've talked about that pressing. And then you're going to cross cut 8 sections, 8 2.5-inch sections. So just like when we made our other checkerboard squares, it's the same kind of thing. You're going to be making those 8 2.5-inch sections, and then you're going to be making 4 4.5-inch sections. So you have 8 of these small sections and 4 of the larger sections, okay? And then you're going to be going to make a strip set with, cut the fabric 5 and 10 on the fold so it's in half. Make a strip set shown so that you have 2 5s and a 10, which are these, okay? And you will have half of the 10 fabric left over and press to the fabric 10, which is to the middle, okay? And then you're going to cut 8 2.5-inch sections of those, okay? So those are our simple strip sets. And then the layout is pretty darn easy. I have the layout right here. So you're going to take this one and lay it out this way. This one from your second strip set, your large piece, this one in here. And when you see it in your photograph, this is your center chaining block. It looks just like this right here. And you need to make 4 of those. Okay, and if you follow the pressing directions, they'll nest together very nicely. And you need to make 4 that look just like that. Now, this is really exciting. You need to retrieve the rose blocks that we made the first month. Rose blocks number 1. Now you have number 1 and number 2. The rose blocks number 1 are the ones with the little pink in the middle, and those go in the center of your blocks right here, okay? And you get to piece the middle of your block. So you have your center, you have your rose blocks, and now your chaining blocks. And you can go ahead and piece all of those together. And the resulting center should be 24.5 inches. Exciting, you have the middle of your quilt. So we now have the outside blocks here this time and the center of your quilt. So you're going to really start seeing your quilt come together. Okay, if you have any questions, please reach out to me on email, marilyn@cottonandchocolate.com. I'm happy to answer your questions or help you out any way I can. And I hope you have a really good month. Stay healthy, stay safe. We wish the best for everybody. We miss all of you, but we look forward to seeing you in our new home. And we'll let you know how we're doing the May Saturday Sampler when we get to it. Thanks to all of you. We love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.